we'll guide you through how to make spinning text in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the program to load completely. When the default project appears on the screen, select all objects by pressing the A key on your keyboard. After everything is selected, delete the objects by pressing X and confirm the deletion when the option appears. Next, go to the front view by pressing the numpad 1 key so you can work from the correct angle. After that, press Shift and it together to open the Add menu. Look for the text option in the menu and click it to add text into the project. Once the text object appears, set the Text Align option to View so the text faces the correct direction. Then press Tab on your keyboard to go into Edit mode. In Edit mode, delete the default text and type the desired text of your choice. After typing your text, press Tab again to return to Object mode. Make sure the text object is still selected, then press K on your keyboard to insert keyframes for animation. Choose the options for location, scale, and rotation so Blender records those settings. After that, press Shift and the spacebar together to move to the next frame in the timeline and preview the animation. Stop the playback by pressing the same buttons again. Once you're on the next frame, rotate the text, then press K again and choose the same options as before, including location, scale, and rotation. This creates another keyframe for your text animation. Continue adjusting the position, size, or rotation of the text between frames if needed to create smooth movement. Before finishing, review the animation carefully to make sure the motion looks correct and the text appears clearly on the screen. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident when creating simple animated text projects in Blender for videos, intros, or creative presentations. You can also experiment with different fonts, animation speeds, and camera angles to improve the final result and make your project look better. Saving your work is important so you do not lose progress while editing animation.